Hey YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a double unboxing, or I guess you could say an unboxing and an unbagging. These items are slightly different than my typical items, especially the one here in the box. And you can see I added some tape because I wanted to cover up some personal information, which they plastered on both sides of the box, so I couldn't even turn around the box and show you the other side when I opened it. So let me go ahead and start with the box and we will see what's inside. Here's a little story time for you. Back in May, I lost a pair of diamond earrings, and I told you guys about that. Well, a couple days ago, I went to my ring cabinet, my jewelry armoire, to get a ring, and I noticed that my ring that has a stone that's very similar to the color of my shirt is not there. And I freak out. And so what do? I go back and I start reviewing my videos to see when was it that I last wore this ring on my right hand. And I couldn't find it, and I couldn't find it. And so then the idea popped into my head, well, I wonder if it's with my missing earrings. And by golly, I went back through all the videos where I was wearing a top that was remotely like the color I'm wearing, or even camo or any sort of green. And the last time I wore this color, which I love, was back in May, with the exception of when I went on my trip to the Smoky Mountains. And when I went there, I just wore the same jewelry the whole time. I didn't switch up colors based on my shirt color or my handbag color, because I like to match my rings to my clothes or to my bags. And I mean, that's if I'm not wearing diamonds on my right hand, which I do that sometimes too. So here is the box. This item came from Macy's. Well, first of all, I really like David Yurman jewelry. They're silver with their gold accents, because I wasn't able to get this bracelet off, but I usually wear a white gold double strand diamond bracelet with a rope style bracelet like this. This one was from a necklace that belonged to my grandmother, and I had it made into two bracelets so I could think of her when I was wearing it. If I'm going to wear a piece that's silver with yellow gold trim, I really like to wear the white gold diamond bracelet with the yellow gold rope bracelet. So this piece here, I'm pretty sure that the ring that I lost is with my earrings, and I think they're in my house. I'm not 100% sure. I think there's a small chance I threw them away, because I threw away a jar of jewelry cleaner, and there's a small chance that they were in there. But I'm still holding out hope, even though they've been missing since May. I went back and reviewed all my videos back to May, and that's the last one I can find myself wearing the ring. If I can get a good picture of it, I'll pop it in here so you can see what I'm talking about. So what I did in the last few days is I ordered a replacement pair of earrings, and I'm going to pop a picture of the earrings that I lost right here. It's just devastating, and I'm going to be getting a new pair of earrings that I will unbox on my channel, and then I'm getting this new ring. And this new ring is not meant to replace the one I lost, but it's an alternative that I can wear with the same color shirts, I think. And so if I do find the ring that I lost, I will still wear it because I love it, but I think I'm going to love this one too. So here we go, guys. Let's reveal her. Ooh, wow. So this is an Effy ring, and it looks like they put it in a Macy's box. They must not have had an Effy box to put it in, but it is a green amethyst, so it's a pale mint green. And then around the edges, it has a lot of like scroll type work. Let's see if I can get it to focus. If I can't get it to focus, I'll pop a picture in, but there's little gold dots at each of these corners, I think, and then there's a line of gold rope around the stone. See if I can get a better angle. So I'm going to go ahead and pop the ring on and see what I think. So this ring was like 70% off, I think. It is stunning. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I wish I could get it to focus better. I think that's pretty good in terms of focus. You can see it's got the scroll work. It's got the little beads there on the corners that are gold. And then it has the rope around the top. and then a great big green amethyst stone. The thing I like about the green amethyst stone I lost is it had on the sides of the bail, I think is what it's called, it had the yellow gold pieces coming up and then a little bit of yellow gold that held the stone in place. And it made the stone reflect yellow because it was behind the stone. This stone reflects all green, and that's okay. It is stunning, but like I said, it's not going to replace the one I lost, so hopefully I still will find it. But this is a definite win. This was 220 bucks, guys. I will link it in the description box. Macy's is having their VIP sale, which gives you, I think, an extra 30% off of what normally this ring would cost. So it worked out to be $220 plus tax, which is a steal for a sterling silver gemstone ring with 18 karat gold accents. So I have a handbag unboxing too. This one's from Lululemon, and it is the same color as the ring I have on my finger, or pretty darn close. So I wore this shirt. This color is like a sage gray color. It looks way more gray in pictures than it does in real life, but it's coming off pretty good right now because my bluish tinge to my shirt's making this come off a little greenish, which is what it is. This is the large size. I showed you, I've got the small size in black and in cognac. Now the large size, it doesn't look like it's all that much bigger, but it is 2 liters capacity versus 1. So let me go ahead and show you if my Diet Dr. Pepper bottle fits in the large size, and then I'll try it on for you real quick. So it does fit, but the cap is all the way over there. I can get it to zip, but again, it takes up a lot of the space. I'm okay with that because I've been using this one to go on walks on the trail, and while it is great, I have to have the cap of the bottle sticking out on the end of the zipper, so I just leave the zipper undone a little bit. To be able to keep the bottle from falling out of the bag, I zip it almost all the way, and then there's just a little bit of cap hanging out the end. I have noticed that when I carry this bag, if I carry it on my right hip, then this rattles a little bit. But if I carry it on my left hip, it doesn't. And I tried carrying it crossbody, which is the way I want to wear it if I go to like a Renaissance festival or an amusement park or something. It is great crossbody, but not for me when I'm on an exercise type walk. So there is the everyday belt bag in the large size, and the main difference is that you have this triangle of fabric right here. On the other one, the strap goes directly into the side of the bag, and then of course the size. It's just a little bit bigger lengthwise and vertically, and probably a little bit deeper too, but you'd have to check the website for exact specs. So for me, that is just not quite as comfortable as the smaller version. It's not terrible by any means, but it is just not quite as comfortable. I don't know. I'm really going to have to think about it. I'm going to plan on keeping one of these. I ordered it in 3 colors, and so I'm going to have to decide if I want to keep the other 2. But I will reveal all the rest of the colors that I have to show you very soon. But I did want to show you how the larger everyday belt bag looked crossbody and around the waist, because they are popping up from time to time. And when they do, I link them on my community page if I happen to catch that. And so be sure you check my community page, because anytime one of these comes in stock, I'm linking it. When I don't have anything in the bag, I feel like it's not very comfortable crossbody, but I think it's pretty comfortable if I have something to weight it down. The smaller one is comfortable no matter if I have something in it or not. So I think having both of them may be a viable option, and I may keep more of these than I think I'm going to. They are super soft, super silky, and I do recommend this sage gray color. I think it's really pretty. So you'll have to let me know what you think about my new ring, as well as these everyday belt bags by Lululemon. And I keep saying everyday belt bags, but I mean everywhere belt bags. Somebody corrected me recently. So you'll have to let me know what you think about these everywhere belt bags. If you did end up getting your hands on one, if you were able to snag one when they pop back in stock, Let me know what you think. I plan to show you a few more of the colors that I've gotten in the next few days. If you like content like this, please give it a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ symbol, then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. If you put that in the search bar, all one word, I'll pop right up. You can DM me on Instagram or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.